Before we start, you might want to get a cushion for extra support. It's completely optional. Now lie on your back, place your cushion under your head, and draw your knees into your chest, wrapping your arms around your shins. Allow your eyes to softly close. Begin to bring your awareness to your breath. Notice how your breath feels and where it is in your body. Relax your jaw and allow your tongue to rest on the roof of your mouth. Relax the space between the eyebrows. Slowly start to deepen the breath, bringing it deeper into your belly. Take a deep, conscious breath in and breath out. One more breath in and a breath out. Release your feet down. Now removing the cushion from underneath your head, drop your knees over to the left, opening your arms to the sides. Keeping your shoulders grounded, send your gaze over to the right side. You might want to place your cushion in between your knees for added support. Now imagine a gentle wave of relaxation flowing through your body, soothing and comforting every part of your body. Switching direction, gently drop your knees over to the right side, sending your gaze to the left, keeping the shoulders grounded. Feel a nice, gentle stretch along your spine. You might become distracted by pain or discomfort in your body. Acknowledge whatever comes up. Simply notice where your mind went without judging it or pushing it away. Then guide your attention back to your breath. Bringing your knees back to center, place your cushion underneath your head. Extending your left leg, draw your right knee into your chest, wrapping your arms around your shin. Now slowly start drawing some circles with your knee, moving from the hip joint. Take a few gentle, slow circles. Removing the cushion from underneath your head, drop your right knee over to the left side. Open your arms to the sides. Now see if you can touch your right foot over your left knee, grabbing a hold of your left foot. It's perfectly fine if your right knee doesn't touch the ground. Just make sure your shoulders are both grounded and you feel a nice stretch in your spine. Coming back to center, draw your left knee into your chest, extending your right forward. And start drawing some circles with your left knee. Take a deep, relaxing breath in. Put a smile on your face. Breath out. Dropping your knee over to the right side, open your arms to the sides. See if you can bring your left foot to touch your right knee, grabbing a hold of your right foot, keeping your shoulders grounded. Slowly coming back to center, bring the soles of your feet to touch. Allow your knees to fall out to either side, feeling a nice stretch in your pelvic area. Close your eyes, invite your breath to travel into your belly and lower back. Follow the air all the way in and all the way out. Be mindfully present. Drawing your knees into your chest, rock and roll, finding a tabletop position with your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. On an inhale, drop your belly down, tilting your chin up. As you exhale, pressing into your palms, round your back, keeping your hips over your knees. Inhale, drop your chest, drop your belly. Exhale, rounding from the back, press into the palms. Inhale, feel that stretch along your spine. Exhale, pressing into the palms. One more time, inhale, drop the belly. Now slowly press your hips to the left and to the right. Inhale to the left, exhale to the right, taking very tiny movements here. Finding a neutral spine, bring your big toes to touch, keeping your knees as wide as your mat. Slowly sit your hips over your heels and come up. Sit back on your heels. Inhale, coming all the way up. Exhale, send your hips back. Inhale, come forward. Let's take a rest in child's pose. Sit your hips over your heels. Feel free to place your cushion underneath your chest. Take a deep breath in and breath out. Focus on extending your out breath. Let your smooth, slow exhale help you relax deeper. Slowly rise up, coming on your knees. Place your hands over your hips. Draw your elbows in together, slowly pressing your hips forward. And then hinging at the hips, press your hips backwards. Inhale, pressing your chest forward, tiny back bend. Exhale, pressing your hips back. Inhale, tiny back bend. Exhale, hinging at the hips. Now find a seated position. You might place your cushion under your hips for added support. Bring the soles of your feet together and grab a hold of your feet, allowing your knees to fall out to either side. Breathe in and breathe out. Follow the air all the way in and all the way out. Be mindfully present, moment by moment, with your breath. Now, if this feels good to you, walk your heads forward, making sure you have a nice flat back. Come back to your seat. We are about to end this practice. Find child's pose, sitting your hips over your heels. You can place your cushion underneath your chest. Take a few more deep breaths and enjoy this feeling of relaxation and calm for a little while longer. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes and rise up. I hope you enjoyed this practice and you're already feeling better. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Would you like to practice with me daily and access all of my exclusive classes? Download the BringMeYoga app and start your free trial today. The link is in the description. Check out this playlist for my gentle yoga practices. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for weekly yoga classes.